You wasn't ready for that, huh? Nobody was ready. What is going on, fam bam? How are you doing? This is Modernly Kitchen, aka your favorite fam in the kitchen, giving you guys the keys to stay blessed with no stress. Speaking of no stress, one of the most stressful things we tend to come across is not having the freedom and flexibility to cook things exactly how we want, when we want. Basically just from not having the right tech at the right time. This is the most evident when it comes to grilling.
Getting those sexy grill marks to line up your burgers just right, or bringing life to the crispiness of a quesadilla. Mouth-watering yet?
Yes! So in today's video, we'll be actually deep diving into a competitor that is stepping up as to being one of the greatest all-in-one grillers with the Bella 8-in-1 grill station.
Giving you guys the pros, the cons, and the actual factuals for whether this item is a pick up or a put down.
But before we get to the video, make sure you guys subscribe to the channel and follow us at Kirsty Rooks and Izzy Lee Media on Instagram. See what Modernly Kitchen does outside of the kitchen. But now all those formalities are in the way, let's get to it. First off, we just have to point out how convenient the Bella 8-in-1 grill really is. It comes with 8 interchangeable plates that include a contact grill, full griddle, an omelet maker, a panini maker, a waffle maker, a quesadilla, a partridge, and a pear tree. Look, listen. Honestly, anything else your creative wannabe chef mind can come up with, the Bella got you. It also features an adjustable temperature knob, adjusting from 250 to 425 degrees, and a power and ready light so you know when the heat is just right to drive you to your succulent destination of satisfied savoriness. Say that 5 times fast. It has a stainless steel handle for added ease of use, and unlike most portable grills on the market, this old grill can sit at a 90 angle or lay flat to 180 to fit your preference of grillicity. I made up that word. I like it. Don't judge. Adding capacity, flexibility, and freedom to your cooking style if you prefer to be a little more open rather than closed. Some additional features include, as I said earlier, the 8 adjustable plates, all containing their own grill patterns, and of course being non-stick and dishwasher safe. And an easy plate release button to quick change between plates. The Bella grill also comes with a bonus storage rack to keep all pieces organized and centrally located, as well as 2 grease catchers because ain't nobody try to have those grease puddles in the kitchen. I've been there, you will bust your ass, it's not pretty.
Now that we've given you the rundown, let's get to the kitchen for this test run. For our demo today, we are making grilled cheese sandwiches, but not just any old grilled cheese sandwich. I'm talking roasted garlic, fresh basil, some Gruyere cheese, mozzarella, and then just some whole wheat. We're gonna assemble here and show you how Bella cooks our grilled cheeses. For the sake of this video, since we're doing grilled cheese, I'm gonna use the griddle, and then up top, see how easy that was? I appreciate easy stuff because I got a baby here and she's a little, woo. It said $4.25 for a panini. We're doing a grilled cheese, so we're about $400, and we're gonna wait until it says ready. Now, what I love about this is you don't really have to wait that long for it to preheat. Be back at it. And look how nicely this is heating up.
See the steam coming off that mug.
I like it. I like it a lot. Butter it up. Butter both sides. Then we're gonna put our grilled cheese down and just let it do what it does. On the side, it says paninis are usually 7 minutes. I'm gonna just check this out. It's probably gonna be about 7 minutes.
I've heard people say that too much of anything is not good for you, baby. But
how that tastes?
Good.
Alright guys, so we gave you the full rundown of how the Bella works, gave you the recipe with that delicious grilled cheese sandwich. Now we're gonna give you guys a little bit of the pros as well as the cons. As far as the pros go, stated earlier, the Bella comes with 8 adjustable plates, all non-stick and dishwasher safe. It also comes with temperature management, gets hot quickly, and has 180 degrees of flexibility, so making full and open close type recipes is totally manageable.
Some of the cons happen to be, we noticed that the grease cups aren't big enough for full recipes like pork chop, steaks, or burgers. And it also cools down pretty slowly, so be careful once you're done. It gets really hot.
Honestly, there's not too many cons to the Bella so far from what we've been able to notice. And it honestly seems like a really good item. You're really in need of a portable grill to get you out all those different types of recipes.
So our final verdict for the Bella grill / everything else that's included is a pickup.
Look like you're pointing down, but yes, pick up, guys. Pick up. Like we said earlier, it seems like it's just the perfect item. Add that flexibility, make multiple different recipes all in one. But guys, if you liked this video, please leave a like on the video as well as subscribe to the channel. We notice our subscribers have been going up and we appreciate y'all supporting the channel, man. Continue doing it, man. The family loves you. But this has been Modernly Kitchen. As always, stay blessed